Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Having an easy and broad singing range can make for more repertoire choices and can be more fun. Most singers can have the ability to expand our high range with some work, and that's what we're going to work on today. But we will definitely cover a broad vocal range. Fun fact, I used to not really like to sing high. My head voice was underused and therefore underdeveloped. When I spent a bit more time learning technique and spent more time singing higher, it became a lot more fun. I would encourage you to find your edges, but feel free to move octaves around as you need to. As a reminder, the exercises are listed below. So take a moment to check in with your alignment. One of the foundations for excellent singing is excellent alignment, along with natural and engaged breathing. Take a moment to release into a low and natural breath. And let's start with a couple of yawn sighs. Start a yawn and end with a sigh. Again. Starting with this aligned and relaxed place, we're going to sing on coo with a little bit of a slide, like coo and go. Let's move into some free-form sirens and glides. Make sure to cover both your high and your low range. Taking care to avoid excess tension in the jaw and tongue, we're going to sing on E-A, like E-A, here we go, E-A, E-A, Great job, let's sigh down. Coming back to the idea of natural but engaged breathing, we're going to sing on yo-ho-ho. Just say that, yo-ho-ho. We'll feel a slight pulsing on the yo-ho-ho to encourage breath coordination. It sounds like this, yo-ho-ho-ho-ho. Keep it separated, here we go. Yo-ho-ho-ho-ho. 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 focus on relaxing the jaw, the tongue, and the neck, which will help with easy range. We're going to descend on ya, 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 and go. Ya, 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 We're going to move on to a lip trill or a bubble. If that doesn't work for you, you can choose any semi-occluded exercise. I might encourage a zh. We're going to sing and go. Now we're going to sing on ha, ha, like ha, ha, ha. Aim for a feeling of openness in the back of the mouth and throat and an engaged, coordinated breath. Ha, ha, ha. Here we go. Ha, ha, ha. These last couple of exercises are going to bring us pretty high. I'd like to challenge you to keep trying, get up there as high as you can, but if it ever hurts, stop, take a breath, and start again. We're going to use the sounds sing-e, sing-a, sing-ah, like sing-e, sing-a, sing-ah. Here we go. Sing-e, sing-a, sing-ah. Sing-e, sing-a, sing-ah. Let's sigh down. And just for further relaxation, let's sing on. Here we go. Staying relaxed will help our range in all directions. Let's finish off with a zee-ah. Keep it free and open with plenty of air. Here we go. Zee-ah, 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 Great job today. I always love warming up with you. Let me know how it's going in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Kathleen YouTube channel. This is Sven. She's feeling social and clingy today. We'll see if she lets me do this without too many interruptions. Just gonna chill here? Okay, that's cool.